are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me. 'Cause baby girl, you are so easily pretty. The only reason that I can do tonight is 'cause I'm...
Hello everyone, welcome back to Julie Jules World. So let me go ahead and show you what we're going to be making today. We're going to be making a clear vinyl pouch, and this is how it looks. Super cute, ain't it? And their makeup, isn't it cute? I love the fact that you can see exactly what's in there. I love that. My makeup powder, what I love about that is 2 compartments in there. You can put something in the back and you can add something in the front. Super cute, you know. So yes, that's what we're going to be making today. Let's go ahead and get into our tutorial. So the materials that you will need for this project is, these are what we're going to start using first, the 2 fabric and then your vinyl. We're going to start with those 3 first. So let's go ahead and put that in position. So I'm going to flip it this way so you guys can see. And we are going to be sewing this together. So we're going to take this top piece here. We're going to fold that down, that in place. And then we're going to take the other bottom one and we're going to flip that over as well. Pin that in place. And we're going to go to the machine and we're going to sew top here. And then we're going to sew the bottom here. You finish, should now look like that. So we're gonna pull that down, pull this and push that up. And sew right across here and right across here. Should now be sewn. Let's go ahead and get our other 2 fabrics. We're going to be marking these corners. So you're going to need cardstock paper. It measures 1.5 centimeters by 1.5 centimeters. You're going to be doing the bottom corners. We're going to mark those, all 3 of these. Once you finish marking the corners, you're going to cut that out. So you should have all of these cut. Put these 2 aside. Let's work on this one here, and we can work on a little, this is going to be right here, this little hold to hold your keys in there. Now that's optional. You don't have to put that in there if you don't want it, but just in case you want to clip it on your keys or maybe purse or whatever, that's what that's for. Let's go ahead and work on this. So we're going to flip this over and we measure 1 centimeter from the top, fold that over, okay? All right, once you finish that, let's go ahead and do that as well. I'm gonna fold it and fold it one more time like that, and then we're gonna be sewing straight down just 2 corners here. Okay, you should now have that sewn in there. Let's go ahead and put those 2 aside for right now. And let's work on these 2. And get our zipper. We're gonna fold these in half so we can find a center. And then do the same thing for the zipper as well. Let's mark the center. Okay, let's go ahead and get this one right here, and we're gonna place our zipper right side facing each other. Make sure you center it and go to the machine and you're gonna sew straight across. You now have it sewn, so we're gonna flip this upward, okay? And this is gonna be sitting downward like that in the back. And we're gonna go to machine and we're gonna sew all the way across there. Okay, you should now have it sewn straight over. Okay, let's go ahead and attach this to this. I'm gonna be flipping this on top of this. And you line it up in the center, pin that in place, and you're gonna go ahead to the machine and you're gonna sew straight across. You should now have that sewn. We're gonna flip this up, and then the same thing that we did on this side, we're gonna sew all the way down, making sure this part here is sitting down this way. Okay, this should now be sewn in there. Let's go ahead and get our little hook. We're gonna fold that in half, and then we're gonna be placing it right at the top of here, underneath that line right there, and then go to machine and just sew right there. You should have that sewn on there now. So let's go ahead and open the zip and then fold that over, making sure everything lines up. Put that in place. Once you finish doing that, you're gonna take our other fabric. This is the inside pocket divider, and we're gonna place it right side facing each other on this side here where the vinyl is at, making sure everything lines up. And then just lift those pins up and pin it back in place. Go to the machine and you're gonna sew down here, here, and down here. You should now have it sewn all the way down. Let's go ahead and fold these corners so we can sew it. Put your hands inside and just fold that up. And fold it like that. I had to measure 3 centimeters over. Just gonna mark that 3 centimeters over. I had to pin that, and you're gonna do the same thing for the other side as well. Go to your machine, and then you're gonna sew the area that you mark. You're gonna sew straight over, and then you're gonna sew straight over here. You should now have it sewn. I finished cutting the corners. Now you can flip it inside out. All right, yeah, look at that. Yep. Super cute, y'all. I love it. And that's it for our tutorial. Made a bigger size one. A matching set. How cute is this? You guys are gonna have fun with this project. I have like some makeup stuff there. My napkins is with it. Isn't that cute? Thank you all so much for watching. I also have my Etsy shop. Anyone is interested in purchasing my products. If you any specific product that you see that I create on this channel and you're interested in purchasing it, comment below and let me know, and I will have it in my shop for you. So yes, once again, thank you so much for watching, and you will definitely see me in my next video. Bye, my YouTubers.